I had a request to create a One Piece wanted poster. So I wanted to create something unique. I decided to dig a little deeper than the usual anime style. When you search for these, they all look the same. To make this stand out on wood, I went back to the roots of Japanese art, the Ukiyo-e Woodblock style. Bold lines, dramatic waves, and a lot of character. I'm lasering this on a 4-inch wooden coaster. The texture of the wood grain actually mimics the sea, which is perfect for a pirate king. You can see the laser carving out those thick, brushstroke lines now. Luffy is the heart of the show, so I wanted his expression to be just right. This isn't just a print, it's being etched forever into the grain. It's a slow process. You can't rush the quality. I love receiving different requests. And here is the secret for the true fans. See that? 3D2Y. In the show, this was Luffy's hidden message to his crew to stop and get stronger for 2 years. It represents the moment everything changed. Wood to a piece of history. A request for a unique character. Thanks for watching, and let me know who I should laser next.